Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to automatically change wallpaper every day in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's do our video. First, we need multiple images to change our wallpaper every day. You can use your own images, your mobile images or desktop images, or copy or just download images from the internet. I give the one site name. You can use any site that you want. I use this site, Pixels. Use any site that you want. Here search your wallpaper or anything that you want. I search wallpaper and I download some wallpaper from here. Just click at here and free download. It's free site and download wallpapers from here. And I download some wallpaper on my folder. Here is my folder on my desktop. You can save it anywhere you want. Here is the multiple files and I want to change it day by day. That is very easy or simple. Click at here, close. Go to your desktop, right click on your desktop. Here we find personalize. Click on the personalize. In personalize we find background. Click on the background. In background, here we find personalize your background. Here we find picture. Change it to the slideshow. Click on the slideshow. And here we find our folder. Click on this browse and change our folder. Click on browse and go to the desktop. In desktop, my files are in the my images. I go to the my images and click on the choose this folder. Click on that. And in change picture every, it is in 1 minute. Change it to the 1 day. Click on the 1 day. After 1 day, your picture is automatically changed to another picture, another next picture of your folder. So guys, this is the simplest way to automatically change wallpaper every day in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.